Hello, everyone. Welcome to my channel. Reviews first. Are you looking for the top 5 best mirror dash cams in 2026? Here are my full reviews of the top 5 best mirror dash cams in 2026. So before starting this video, please like this video and subscribe to this channel for our future updates. Thank you. Number 1. Upgrade your driving experience with the WOLFBOX 12-inch 4K rear view mirror camera, a smart dash cam designed for safety, convenience, and clarity. Featuring a stunning 12-inch touchscreen mirror, this innovative device combines a front and rear camera system to capture every moment on the road. The front camera records an ultra-clear 4K resolution, while the 1080p rear camera ensures you have a precise view while reversing, enhancing safety and preventing accidents. With 5.8 GHz Wi-Fi connectivity, WOLFBOX allows seamless live streaming and easy file transfer to your smartphone, keeping your recordings just a tap away. The built-in voice control feature offers hands-free operation, enabling you to start recording, take snapshots, or switch modes without taking your hands off the wheel. This smart mirror dash cam also doubles as a backup camera, providing a wide-angle view and real-time guidance for smooth parking. Its sleek, modern design fits most vehicles and adds a high-tech touch to your dashboard. Drive smarter, safer, and more confidently with the WOLFBOX 12-inch 4K rear view mirror camera, your ultimate companion on every journey. Number 2. Upgrade your driving experience with the Veement 4K rear view mirror camera, a state-of-the-art dash cam designed for safety, clarity, and convenience. Featuring a 10-inch 4K ultra-clear display, this mirror dash cam captures every detail on the road, ensuring you never miss a moment. Its 1080p backup camera provides a crisp, wide-angle view when reversing, helping you park safely and avoid obstacles with confidence. Equipped with dual front and rear recording, the Veement dash cam records seamlessly in high resolution, providing reliable evidence in case of accidents. Voice control functionality allows for hands-free operation, keeping your focus on driving while effortlessly capturing footage or taking snapshots. With 24-hour parking monitoring, your vehicle stays protected even when parked, detecting motion and collisions to give you peace of mind. The sleek design integrates perfectly with your car's interior, while offering advanced features such as loop recording, G-sensor, and night vision. Whether for everyday commuting, road trips, or security, the Veement 4K rear view mirror camera is the ultimate companion for safer, smarter driving. Number 3. Upgrade your driving experience with the Pelsee P12 Pro 4K mirror dash cam, designed to enhance safety and convenience on the road. Featuring 2160p ultra-clear front and 1080p rear dual cameras, it captures every detail with stunning clarity, ensuring you never miss a moment. The dash cam integrates advanced driver assistance systems, ADAS, and blind spot detection, BSD, alerting you to potential hazards and keeping you safe during lane changes and tight maneuvers. With 5.8 GHz Wi-Fi connectivity, you can quickly transfer videos to your smartphone or tablet, while voice control functionality allows hands-free operation for a safer drive. The device also includes GPS tracking, recording your route and speed in real time, ideal for navigation or accident documentation. Its sleek rear-view mirror design seamlessly fits into your vehicle without obstructing your view, combining style with functionality. The P12 Pro boasts vibrant color recording, reliable night vision, and easy installation, making it perfect for everyday commuting or long road trips. Elevate your driving safety and capture every journey in unmatched clarity with the Pelsee P12 Pro 4K mirror dash cam. Number 4. Upgrade your driving experience with the Rearview T700 rear view mirror camera, featuring an 11-inch ultra-clear display and dual dash cam functionality. The front camera captures stunning 4K UHD video, while the rear mirror camera records in 1080p, providing complete coverage and enhanced safety on the road. With GPS tracking, you can log every trip accurately, ensuring precise location data for navigation or incident review. Parking becomes stress-free thanks to the intelligent parking monitor, which automatically detects motion and alerts you to potential hazards, even when your vehicle is parked. The smart reverse mode integrates seamlessly with your car's reverse gear, displaying real-time rear footage to assist with parking and maneuvering in tight spaces. Equipped with advanced night vision technology, the T700 ensures clear visibility in low-light conditions, capturing every detail without compromise. Its sleek, easy-to-install design combines modern aesthetics with practical functionality, turning your rearview mirror into a powerful driving assistant. Drive with confidence and security. Experience unparalleled clarity, safety, and convenience with the Rearview T700 Rearview Mirror Dashcam. Number 5. Upgrade your driving experience with the AZDOME PG17 Max 4K plus 2.5K Mirror Dashcam, designed for safety, clarity, and convenience. This advanced 12-inch rear-view mirror camera features dual recording with 4K front and 2.5K rear resolution, ensuring crystal-clear footage of every journey. Equipped with ADAS, Advanced Driver Assistance System, BSD, blind spot detection, and LCA, lane change assist, it enhances road safety by alerting you to potential hazards and lane departures in real time. Seamlessly connect your smartphone via 5 GHz Wi-Fi to view, download, or share high-definition videos instantly. The Dashcam also supports voice control, allowing hands-free operation for a safer driving experience. Its rear-view mirror design integrates perfectly into your car, providing a modern, sleek look while doubling as a backup camera, offering clear visibility when reversing. With intelligent features, sharp imaging, and user-friendly controls, the AZDOME PG17 Max ensures peace of mind on every drive. Whether navigating busy city streets or long highways, this Dashcam delivers unmatched safety, convenience, and performance, making it an essential companion for every driver.